Greeting friends, welcome back to the garden. Guys, before I go home, I want to show you guys one last view of those big beautiful blooms. Those are all, I need to come remove those old blooms and make place for those nicer one. Look at how beautiful is that. And all the way there are the new gingers I make, and those one are the old one I've been working on. They so beautiful, and as you can see, those are new, the gingers from last year I make, and they already on 1 gallon pots. Beautiful. Look at some leaves. Beautiful leaves. And I purchased those gingers last month, and yes, with some blooms, the blooms are still there. You can see how the leaves are really dark, really like that. I like having different um color of leaves, and some of them are getting powder mildew. Is because I'm watering the leaves, and this is not good. I need to work in that, or I need to change this ginger place. I need to put her somewhere she can get more sun. Those two, they're getting powder mildew right here. Let me see if I can show you or zoom it out. You see, not looking good at all. But yeah, I need to fix that and add fertilizer. If I do not add fertilizer for this week, I hope next week I can fertilizing everything. And I was trying those one and more sun, and so far they still looking good. So far they still okay. That means they passed the test. They've been there for at least 2 weeks. They really passed the test. Some of them did have some burning leaves. I removed one of them, burning leaves. I removed her, and the rest are really looking good. Really looking good. I can go ahead and fertilize them and wait for more blooms. That's the reason. I'm having those beautiful flowers. Thank you friends for watching.